Welcome to the CPA Nerds Gateway. Today we're going to go over the basics of how to access the gateway, how to upload documents, and where to find your important tax documents. The first step is to turn on your computer and access the internet. Be sure not to delete your internet. Once you've made your way to the internet, you can then go to www.cpanerds.com. To access the gateway, you'll need to click on the big green button that says Client Gateway, Pay Online. No, not there. At the top. Yes. Oh, no, over. Yes, that. Right there. Click the button. Click. Okay. Good. This is where you'll need to enter your username and password. If you don't remember what those are, please contact CPA Nerds, and they can reset your password for you. Once you're inside the gateway, there are tons of things you can do.
Can I call my niece?
No, Jennifer, you cannot call your niece from the gateway. Anyway, let's start with the Invoices section. The My Invoices section has two tabs in it, the Paid tab and the Unpaid tab. Jennifer, can you guess where your unpaid invoices are going to be?
The gateway.
Yes, Jennifer, but which tab?
What tab?
No, I'm asking you... Oh, never mind. You can find your unpaid invoices in the Unpaid tab, and the invoices that have already been paid in the Paid tab. Make sense?
Wait, which tab do I call my niece from again?
Okay, you know what, Jennifer? Here's Skype. Go talk to your niece there. Moving along. To pay an unpaid invoice, select the invoice you'd like to pay. Enter in the amount you want to pay, and click the Pay Selected button. Once your transaction is complete, you will notice the invoice has been moved to the Paid tab.
It says my microphone isn't working.
Can someone please help Jennifer? Where was I? Oh, yes. Next up, we have the File Exchange. This is where you can download forms that have been sent to you by CPA Nerds or upload your own files to give to CPA Nerds. Please, don't send us your niece's wedding invitation through the portal and only send us relevant tax paperwork. I'm looking at you, Jennifer. Lastly, we have a section that is titled as your name. This is where you can find your federal and state tax returns once they are ready. If you have any other questions about the gateway, please feel free to contact CPA Nerds, and they will walk you through. Also, Jennifer's niece says hi.